Thank you for joining me. Today's short video will walk you through how to set up Autopay with Nuvera using your chosen payment method. The different methods to use for Autopay include using a credit or debit card or using ACH payments. Using ACH payments will allow you to avoid the small fee associated with using a credit or debit card. First, go to nuvera.net. Select My Account. Then select Manage Your Account. If you have not already set up your online account, please watch our short video about how to set up an online account and paperless billing. Once you have signed into your account, select Manage Autopay. Then select Add Schedule. Select an account. There will most likely only be one account to select unless you have multiple accounts. Then select Continue. On the next screen, select Add New under Add a Payment Method. On the next screen, you will be able to choose from adding credit, debit, or e-check information. If you wish to avoid paying the payment processing fee associated with debit and credit card payments, you should choose the e-check option, a safe and secure way to submit payment. On the next screen, select the new payment method you have just entered and select Continue. On the next screen, you can choose when you would like your auto payment to be paid each month, either on the due date or on a specific date chosen by you. To avoid late fees, the scheduled day must be set on or before your monthly due date. Don't forget to select Create Autopay once you have your details set. As always, if you need help with this process or anything related to your Nuvera account, please call us at 844-354-4111.